that? Hi, very good. Hi. Can you say hi? Hi. Oh, what's that? Zadie. Yes, that's your name. Zadie. Oh. There, Zadie. What's that? Can you show it to mommy? Clap. Very good. Clap. What's that? Arms up. Can you do arms up? Very good. This one? Mouse. Dog. Very good. What's that? Baby. What's that? Eyes. Very good. Can you show mommy your beautiful eyes? There. Very good. What's that? Nose. What's that? Cat. What does the cat say? Meow. Meow. Very